It has arrived. Which I won't be using for a while. Well, I won't be using again, for me at least. I'm really hungry. Oh, it's okay with plugging. That's a bit stupid. Goodbye. So yeah, that's my old one there. Look, the AMD Radeon RX 570 graphics card. Where should I plot that? I've still got the box here. So. Oh. That is nice. It's almost a triple slot card. That is nice. Ray tracing graphics card, oh yes. Oh nice, got pass-through cooling. Not as heavy as I thought, but it's still much heavier than my other one.
It's dropping marbles today. It's been
Hey. Oh yes. It is in. It is in. Alright, can't really see that, but I'll screw it in.
runs too slow. There's a days to go. It's dropping marbles today. It's been too long. It's dropping marbles today. It's been a journey a long way. So long way to go. We're not running on. Time moves too slow. It's a distant long way to go.
Oh, look at that. Fancy. Oh. I'm quite impressed with that. Wait, 3200354. Is that you? Is that you, Taylor? I don't need to go into the BIOS. I'll just go straight into Windows.